Good morning, ma'am.
How are you today?
Okay na po, ma'am?
Okay na. So, karon bago ta mag-discuss, barog sa mo aron ma-pray. So, lead the prayer.
Yes, we are.
Amen. So, again, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, kay ba na bang mo sa topic na to karon?
Wala pa,
Oo, ma'am.
ma'am.
No. So, karon mag-topic ta about sa akong kini-discuss. So, karon I have here a discussion. So, ang discussion nato is about the common phrases. So, the common phrases are everyday expression or groups of words that people use frequently in conversation. The phrases are two typically well known and understood by native speaker and are used in specific context to convey clear, polite, or natural communication. So, example daw na sa akin ko sa kanang common phrases. Mga example, di ba kay Gomo?
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Okay, hello. Sige, pakalaw. Sa ito pakalaw?
Excuse me.
Okay, excuse me. Thank you. So, they are not always grammatically complete sentences but are widely recognized as a meaningful in a given situation. Mastering these phrases is essential for effective communication, especially for language learners, as they help navigate real-life scenarios. So, example sa kanang common phrases is greetings. Sa kuto sa ilahan ni hi siya. So, ang diri sa greetings is na ang hi, then na ang hi dear, then pag kining pag-greet sa kanang buwan, kanang good morning ma'am, na good afternoon, na diba? Then sa polite expression is na siya kining buwan, na siya kining please, excuse me. So, kisa may kining maghatag og kining buwan sa kanang polite expression, kining example.
Ako, ma'am.
Sige, barang chiki.
You're welcome.
Okay, thank you. Again, kinsa pamalain, ikaw po. Apple. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Di ba no? Ang example sa kanang polite expression is kanang please, thank you, you're welcome, I'm sorry, di ba? Mao na siya, di ba? Then sa kining asking question or making request, kining example na niya is can I help you? Kanang kuan siya kining silbi question jud sa nga imong kining kuan sa imong nakay makita nga maestra, di ba? Kining nakay kining kuan o kanang imong mga pagkada ba magdali-tabi mo niya na mga question nga, di ba? Then so number 4, everyday small talk sa kanang sa imong mga barkada is magkiningan mo na, magkinig sa hanay, by group, di ba? Yan na example. So, why we learn common phrases? Practically, they are used in day-to-day life, such as a shopping, greeting, someone apologizing. Then sa fluency, the help conversation flow naturally with recitation. Then sa confidence, they're using common phrases correctly both self-assurance when speaking. Then sa cultural, many phrases reflect cultural norms like politeness or social expectation. So, ikaw na ba po, class?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So, sama na po na tayo mga example sa common phrases.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Okay, then sa kanang polite expression.
You're welcome. Thank you.
So, wala siya no, thank you. So, karon kay ibaw naman mo sa ikining discuss nato. So, karon nakuha hatag na activity.